Yo guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bike check video, show you my bike, what parts are on my bike and the reason for why I like my bike. So just let me know what you want to see on my channel. I should be able to do that for you. But yeah, I'm going to get back to you in a minute. Production. So I'm going to give you a little quick run through my bike and what's on my bike and that. So basically my bike is a Mafia bike. It's a 29-inch bomber and it's the fractal one. You can either get the camo one, the fractal one. They've got some new ones coming out soon. When they come out, you know they're dripping it, I might get one because I do love my bombers. What I like about my bomber is, yeah, it's a big bike. So see, you got like the fat rippers and that. I find that they're 26 and they've got 27.5s. I don't like them. I think the wheels are too small and I don't like swerving them and that. My bike is a big bike in it and it's got the fat tyres. The fat tyres help you with balance. And what I mean by balance is, so when you're standing in the seat or doing a little trick, it helps you with the balance so we don't start moving and rocking and that. And in the wind, when the wind comes, it normally blows you off your bike. But my one kind of keeps still for you. So that's what I like about it. Let's talk about my brake system and my chain system, yeah? So my brake system, I've got an SLX Shimano SLX, sorry. Don't know what's going on in my English today. Shimano SLX back brake, yeah? I've got the silver one. You can either get the silver one or you get the black one. And I've got the silver one to match my bike, innit? So I've got that. My disc, I've got a Shimano ISO Tech. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. You might research it or whatever. I don't really care. But I've got that. What they help you to do is they help cool down the disc. So see, if you're riding, you're doing manual down a hill, your disc gets really hot and it melts your. I don't melt, but it eats your pads even faster than it would when it's cold. So the ISO Tech disc, I think that's what it's called. It keeps your disc cool, so it's not hot. It might get a bit warm, but it'll cool down a lot faster than it would if it didn't have it. So it saves your pads for a lot longer. And yeah, I think it's like £30. So my chain system, I've got a Gully Mafia Bikes blue front chain ring. You can get it at Mafia Bikes, I think it's like £20, £25, not sure. And then I've got a half-link gold chain ring, half-link chain, yeah? Gold half-link chain. They're a lot stronger than the regular chains. They are, and they look nice as well, they're shiny, you know? My seating system, I've got a Pro Max seat pole, and I've got a NL Kizzy No Limits blue seat. You can either get the blue suede, the leather blue, the red suede, the leather red, black, white. The white's leather. The black one, I like the black one because it's soft. It's not tough, you know what I mean? It's very soft. I had it on my bike before, but now I've got the blue one, you know, how we do. So yeah, I got that. Handlebars. On my handlebars, I've got some chrome Mafia Bikes handlebars, and I've got ODI grips. The ODI grips are nice. They are very nice. They keep the hands all soft and that, so you don't get these calluses. I've got them because I don't stop riding my bike. So yeah, I need to get some new grips because they're falling apart. Not falling apart, but I need some new ones. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my bike now. It's getting a bit dirty. I need to wash it now. So the things that I use to wash my bike, I use Muck Off Motorcycle Cleaner. Yeah. So I need to go get a new one because I'm running a bit low on that. And I use these brush things. This, yeah, you can put it on your wheel, clean your tires, because when you got blue tires they get dirty very quick. So this helps you clean them. This for like just getting into the hard areas and that, you just stick it in. Oh, and water. You need water to clean your bike, and you can't just use that, you need water. So I just tried to record myself washing the bike, right? I didn't press record, so I just washed my bike and I didn't even get, but it came out fresh. So I'm gonna just show you the bike after I've cleaned it, and yeah. So guys, that was just a video of me showing you the parts of my bike, telling you what's on my bike and washing my bike for today. Let me know what you lot think of my first vlog in it, or whatever you want to call this, my bike review and all that. But just let me know what you want to see on my channel, and I'll try to get that done there. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, everything like that. You know what to do. Yeah, just show love in it. Love.